Here for a first on CNBC interview is Mike Belshie. He is BitGo CEO. Mike, welcome to you.
Hey, thanks for having me here. Good to see you.
I understand you have some background at Google as well. Is that right?
It is. I'm a veteran from Silicon Valley, the technical industry, I guess. I was at Google in 2010 or so. I was one of the first 10 guys on the Chrome team there. While I was there, I invented this protocol called Speedy, which is now known as HTTP 2.0. By the way, I think BitGo has its name on the standard for that spec. So I think we might be the only crypto company that has its name on a internet standard.
Wow. So I'm talking to one of the OGs here, and we appreciate you making the time. So enlighten those of us who, trying to follow. What is BitGo? Mike, what do they do?
Sure, we're an infrastructure provider, so it's a brand you might not have heard of because we power institutions and brands that you have heard of. So we're very much a B2B type of company. Our clients are B2B2C. We've grown tremendously over the last 13 years. We have, I think, the largest collection of institutional clients in the world. And then we start with a highly regulated, highly protected security layer around everything that we do. And then we build trading, we build staking, we build a number of services on top of that. For our clients to use.
Yeah, do you own Bitcoin? I mean, the more people talk, and I'm sure you saw the comments from Jamie Dimon about how, this is a better technology, to kind of run everything's on the token or crypto layer. That's great. The more it becomes mainstreamed, though, the less impressive Bitcoin's performance does. I'm just curious if you have any comments about that.
I think there's many use cases on top of the digital technology that we have. So Bitcoin deserves full credit for having pioneered this space as the first token that we had. Initially, it was designed, to be potentially a payment system. On the payments side, it hasn't gotten a lot of traction there, but it's certainly very clearly a great store of value. I think all the cryptocurrencies are going to continue to see strength over the long arc of time. But then on top of that, we now have new use cases, right? So stablecoins you're very familiar with may turn out to be an easier payment system for most people because it's one-to-one tied to the price of the dollar. On top of that, we've got DeFi, we've got tokenized equities, and rather than take it from me, you can ask Larry Fink from BlackRock. He says every asset, every stock, every bond can be tokenized. So I think there's a lot of excitement, not just from the early players, the technology side, but also from traditional finance, which is really why it makes it so exciting to be here at New York Stock Exchange today.
Sure. No, I imagine. Do you have some thoughts, Mike, at all on the AI trade? I don't know if you kind of watch it just out of curiosity or if you've played around with it a lot yourselves, if it has anything to do with the company, and if you have any point of view on whose kind of chatbot is superior and what that means for the valuations of a lot of these names.
Well, look, on AI, when you think about AI progressing and suddenly being able to do negotiation of contracts for us to be able to pay for services on our behalf, AI is definitely not going to be touching physical currency. It's going to be using something like a digital currency. So these two worlds absolutely intersect. Once we have the API-driven types of money, which, by the way, offers up a whole bunch of opportunities that didn't exist before. You simply can't use your stocks and your bonds and all of your portfolio until you digitize it. So now that happens, it's not only available to us in all kinds of new use cases, which is what we're seeing in the industry already, but on top of that, of course, this is going to be the money of the AI.